Nice proud chest, exhaling as you pull. There we go. Trying to go forward just a little slower if you can. Nice. Good, we got 5 more. Two more. Last one. Nice. There we go. And we'll go right into our standing row with the red guy. Slight bend in those knees, proud chest, driving those elbows back.
Like this, right?
Oh, you can keep that neutral grip. Yeah, right there. There we go. Five. Good, breathe in. 5 more, trying to rock the body as little as possible. Nice. Last 3. 2 more. And 1 more, Finny. Very nice. We'll walk it on in. We'll grab that bottom bit.